This how to 1 minute will show you how to install WordPress in GoDaddy. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to install WordPress website. Log into your GoDaddy and click on your profile and click on My Products. Once you are in your product list, click on Web Hosting. And here you will get your web hosting. Click on Manage and click on Install Application. And here search for WordPress. Click on it and click on Install this application. Now you can add a directory for your WordPress installation. You can select your WordPress version from here. You can change your language from here, and you can change these settings and enter here your WordPress admin username and password. You can add an email address here. Now you can change the website title, website tagline from here, and scroll down and click on Install. And here you can see I've successfully installed WordPress. So this is how we can install WordPress in GoDaddy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.